Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2022 Jeep Wagoneer Series 2 in bright white. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, interchangeable wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot and crossback detection, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel,
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.